Some members of the clergy have offered their churches to be used as vaccination sites as they increase the call for their members and the rest of Jamaica to be vaccinated. Krista Campbell reports.
From vaccine advocacy to offering their churches to be used as vaccine sites, some church leaders have taken a firm stance to help in the government's fight to combat the third wave of the coronavirus in Jamaica.
It is estimated that 67% of our population here in Jamaica are Christians rather. If Christians are vaccinated, we can establish the herd immunity that is desired for normality to be restored.
As the government moves to get persons vaccinated, the health authorities have started to take vaccines into more remote communities. But the health minister notes there is limited space at many health centers. The church has responded.
Where we have church halls, and even if in isolated communities, if our church building would be of use in getting the vaccines closer to communities, I would commit our church buildings for that purpose.
It's a good offer, generous offer, and it's an offer which understands the local landscape and the constraints, and we certainly will utilize it.
The Portmore Holiness Christian Church in St. Catherine already offers drive-through COVID testing for persons traveling overseas, in which results are ready within 24 hours.
We'd be happy that persons can also drive in and be vaccinated. They were prepared to use the place for that. We have a lot of space.
For this virus to stop, we need to have more vaccination center where people can just go, feel comfortable to go and get their shots.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.